following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms capable of producing isolated strong wind gusts to 45 knots from 28 nautical miles west of Northerly Island to 90 nautical miles southwest of Gary, moving northeast at 40 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Northerly Island around 6:55 p.m., Calumet Harbor around 7:15 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to 40 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Winds behind the front will shift suddenly to the west.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast